let's get into it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So guess what's happening? The sect is coming for Robinhood. Yes. 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 And I said, let me just break this news, let everybody know now. So we're all up to it. Okay. So this is Robinhood on the minute chart right here. This is what it's looking like. Okay. Now the reason why this is all important, because over here on the right side of my screen, earnings, next earning report, what? In 2 days. 2 days. Okay, so I guess the sect was like, yeah, people, well, I don't know how good that'll be. Right now, we're up here at $17.95, so almost $18. So, of course, with, the earnings are going to come up. If the earnings were good, this is the past earnings here. So, okay. So, it's kind of like consistently these last 3 dots, 1, 2, and this here. So, going in an upward momentum there. So if the earnings was good, you could kind of assume, oh, well, maybe if, don't ever assume, earnings is a dice roll. Maybe we would hit this level. So what dollar sign is that? $18, right? Blow through that. So go through that. And then hopefully Robinhood could return back up here to this level, right? What level is that? 18.10, things like that. But now, like I'm saying, we have this news here that the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, that's the SEC Commission, has issued a Wells notice to Robinhood. Okay, Wells notice came out. Boom, boom. SEC filings. Okay, so what does that mean? Okay, so for everybody who doesn't know what a Wells notice is, let's just look at this. A Wells notice, what does it mean? And how does it work? Well, this is what they're saying. A Wells notice is a notification issued by the regulators, SEC, to inform the individuals, the companies, Robinhood, right? To let Robinhood know, yeah, we completed an investigation and there were some problems, people, and that were discovered, all right? And so then we're giving you this letter because this is your official notice to let you know that, yeah, we uncovered some violations and we're going to what? Enforcement proceedings will start against who? Robinhood. Yes. All right. So some people, maybe they'll hold their shares and maybe some people will dump their shares. It depends who cares, what does it matter? So what are the key takeaways? Well, Wells notice, formal notice from the SEC. All right. Because what? The agency is planning to bring enforcement actions against Robinhood. That's what that means. Okay. So we know it's going to be coming. Here are some numbers on Robinhood. This is Robinhood's. This is their, look at this, all this nice little green from, past EPS released. Okay. All this nice green. It was above the 20-day moving average, above the 50-day moving average, above the 200. What are you saying, Miss Moneymaker? There's certain lines, this orange line, like orange, gold, whatever color, 200 moving day average, this purple line. Let me use this other cursor. It was above this line. It was above this line, 50-day moving average, above the 20-day. When you're investing, you like a stock to be trending upward direction, right? Like that. And to be above all these moving averages. Because when you're above it, you have more support and everything. Once you start falling below, bloop, 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 it gets harder. Okay, struggle becomes more real. It's like, oh my gosh, I wish I could. Little train that could situation goes on here. I think I can. So, nice green here too. We got a little bit of a hot mess here. So, people, I wanted to make sure you knew about this as it's happening, all right? Because how will the stock react to whatever? I'm not saying come out of your position, whatever. But we're talking about it. Why? Earnings in 2 days, right side of my screen, people. Earnings in 2 days. How will this affect it once people know? Will they lighten up? Will it sell off going into earnings? You never know, right? You never know. See, here we go. What is this? Robinhood stock dives after disclosing recipients. See, here we go. So what's happening here? So hold on. Let me just go back here. Do this. Let me just see what we look like on the daily. I might have to adjust I have to adjust the chart. Okay, I just wanted to, adjust the daily time frame chart to see if we were showing a red candle as of yet. So right now, this candle is still green. But as we drop, this candle right here can turn, our daily candle can turn red. So how will people feel about it? It all depends, because you see here, see what I'm saying? Hold on, let me get my marker. 13 minutes ago, see? Wells notice. Okay, so people are going to start to know, but I'm bringing it to you now so you would know. Alrighty, so what I want to say, people, hey, let's be careful out there. This is Miss Moneymaker. I'm keeping you safe. I want to make sure you know. I'll see you next time, or anything that moves. If you like this content, I'm here for you. This is what I do, all right? And I'll show you other stocks that should be making some moves higher, okay? So, hey, let's just be careful out there. The markets are never going to close. They're always going to be open Monday through Friday, you know what I mean? But they're always here for us, so you don't have to make the money all in one day. We have a whole year and the next year and more time to get into this. So be careful out there, people. I'll see you next time, or anything that moves. Bye for now.